Hi everyone, my name is Amir Khan and this is my introductory speech. So the topic I chose for you all today is my cat Spencer. I adopted Spencer on August 20th, 2017. And ever since then, he's always been very playful and very feisty. His favorite toy that I have for him is a little parrot like this big that chirps whenever he goes up to it, and he goes crazy whenever he sees it. So the nicknames he has is Demon Cat, Spenceroni, Simba, and Devil. He doesn't even look like Simba, but when we got him, he was jumped on my bed and looked like he was on Pride Rock. So ever since then, we call him that. You can probably hear the parrot chirping right now. And the favorite activities of his include biting feet, sleeping on vents, and playing with all his all his pet siblings. 3 examples of how he is important to me. So, Spencer is the first pet I purchased with my own money, and that means a lot to me since I got to pick him out myself and get him, so he's really just mine. Another reason is he reminds me of my childhood cat, Apollo. The picture on the left is Apollo and my dog Roscoe when he was a puppy, and the picture on the right is Spencer and my rabbit Worry. So I feel like Spencer has the same personality as Apollo and is like a reincarnation to him. And it means a lot because Apollo was my childhood cat who slept with me every single night on my chest. So to have Spencer be just like that means a lot to me. And he favors me over everyone else in the house. So when we first got him, we had to lock him in my bedroom. And he developed a connection with me since then, and it means a lot because everywhere I am, he's next to me. So 3 ways he reflects me. Anyone who knows me knows I love animals, and having Spencer means a lot because he's an animal and he's like always there. Animals are better than people sometimes, in my opinion. And another thing is I really want to go to vet school when I'm older, so having him helps me get the connection with pets and taking care of them to know the basics. Another thing is having him shows what I favor in life, because there's been many times that I go to the pet store and buy him toys and waste my money on it and when I need to buy gas for my car. But yeah, Spencer is like the light of my life pretty much. He's always around me. So he's right here actually. So thank you all for watching my presentation on my cat Spencer. So hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Thank you. Bye.